Hi, nice to meet you. I'm Emma, the new student here. Honestly, I was a little nervous walking into this school today.
Hey, Emma, welcome. I'm Jack. Don't worry, everyone feels nervous on the first day, but you already seem really confident and friendly.
Haha, thank you. People often think I'm older because of the way I talk and act, so maybe that's why I look confident. I'm from Russia, near Moscow actually, and I moved here for my studies. What about you?
I'm American, born and raised here, and your English is honestly very natural. I'm impressed.
That's sweet of you to say. I practiced a lot before coming here because I really wanted to communicate comfortably with people.
Well, it worked. I've always wanted to visit Russia someday, especially Moscow and St. Petersburg, but I still haven't had the chance.
Then you should definitely come one day. Russia has beautiful places, amazing food, and a very different atmosphere in winter. I'd love to show you around.
That sounds awesome. If I ever go, I'm definitely calling you first.
Deal. Here, let me give you my number. Although social media is probably easier for international friends these days.
True, phone calls overseas can get expensive. Oh, I just sent you a friend request.
I saw it already and accepted it. Your profile looks fun, by the way. You travel a lot.
Yeah, I enjoy exploring new places whenever I have time. But your photos are great too. You have an artistic style.
Thank you. I don't post much, though. I mostly use social media to stay connected with friends and family back home.
Don't worry, you're not alone anymore. Our class is friendly, and everyone will help you settle in quickly.
That makes me feel better already. By the way, I'm studying economics because I want to work in international business someday.
Nice choice. Most of us are here because this class is required for graduation, but it's also one of the best subjects in the program.
That actually sounds perfect for me. I love learning new expressions and speaking more naturally. So I'll try to sign up today.
You should do it quickly then, because the club is super popular now. There are already many students waiting to join. Maybe a few months if the list gets longer. A lot of students apply before the new semester starts.
Oh no, I really wanted to improve my English before next semester begins.
Then you should also try the school's free online English courses. They're actually very helpful, and you can study anytime you want.
That's surprisingly easy. Thanks, Jack. You're saving my life today.
Haha, no problem. You can always ask me if you're confused about anything here. Then let's go now. I think the club manager should still be inside.
Excuse me, hi? Is this the Painters Club?
Yeah, this is the place. Don't be shy, they're nice people.
I'd really love to join because drawing has been my favorite hobby since I was a child. I tried using my phone earlier, but the website wasn't working properly for me.
It's okay, you can register later. For now, I can show you around the studio and introduce you to the club. Most members come here during free hours to relax, draw, and talk together. The atmosphere is honestly very peaceful.
I already love it here. When do members usually gather together? How do members know the exact meeting time every week? Can you add me to the group later? I'd really like to meet more people.
Around a week now, which is actually much faster than before.
That honestly makes me so happy. I just moved here recently, so I'm trying to make friends and feel comfortable in this new place.
I thought you joined only because you were passionate about art.
Oh, I definitely am. Drawing has always been special to me. Art makes me feel calm, creative, and understood in a way words sometimes can't.
That's the spirit of a real artist right there. Passion is what makes art beautiful.
Jack, Sometimes I wonder if I should study art seriously one day, but honestly, I still feel like my drawing skills are not good enough yet. I enjoy drawing a lot, but when I listen to artists online, I suddenly lose confidence.
You shouldn't think like that, Emma. Every artist starts somewhere, and practice changes everything over time. Besides, art school is not only about drawing perfectly. You can also learn computer graphics, digital painting, design, and many creative skills there.
That actually sounds interesting. I've wanted to learn digital art for a while, but I thought I could just teach myself slowly whenever I had free time after classes.
Learning by yourself is good, but studying with teachers and other students helps a lot too. They can teach you the basics properly, like color combinations, shading, balance, and painting techniques that are hard to learn alone. There definitely will be. Everyone here supports each other, especially students who are passionate and willing to learn. That's why this club feels friendly and comfortable.
That honestly makes me so happy to hear. I was nervous before joining, but now I'm starting to feel excited instead.
And we're really happy to have you here too, Emma. New members always bring fresh ideas and energy into the group.
Thanks, Jack. I'm honestly looking forward to becoming part of this club and spending more time with everyone here. Oh, wow, you know her?
Of course, she disappeared for months without telling anyone anything. We all thought she forgot about us.
Sophia, where have you been all this time?
I went on a long trip to India, and honestly, it was one of the best experiences I've ever had. I stayed there for quite a while because there were so many places I wanted to visit.
Really? I've never been to India before, but I've heard it's beautiful and full of culture. I've actually been thinking about taking a trip there in the future. It seems like such an interesting country to explore.
It really is, but it's also a huge country, so if you truly want to see many places, you'll probably need several months. That's exactly why my trip became so long.
Now I understand why nobody here knew where you went. Your friends missed you a lot while you were away.
I missed everyone too, honestly. Traveling was exciting, but sometimes I wanted to come back and talk with my friends again.
Did you take lots of pictures during the trip?
Oh yes, thousands of photos. I posted many beautiful pictures online because I wanted to save those memories and share them with people,
Where did you post them?
mostly on Instagram. I uploaded photos almost every week while traveling.
Haha. The problem is that Jack and I barely use Instagram anymore because we already have too many social media apps on our phones.
Exactly. My phone is already running out of storage space, so I'm trying not to install anything new these days.
Then honestly, you should just buy a new phone already.
I already did. I even paid for another 50 gigabytes last month, but somehow my phone is still full all the time.
That's because cloud storage saves your files online, but apps still need real space on your phone to install and run properly.
See? That's exactly why I said I can't keep downloading more apps anymore.
Which is also exactly why I keep telling you to buy a newer phone with more storage capacity.
That makes sense. By the way, where are you from? Your accent sounds interesting. That's actually healthier than posting every hour. Anyway, class is about to start. Ready for your first day?
Ready, but still a little scared, honestly. I'm glad to hear that. Outside of studying, I love drawing, swimming, and going to the gyms to relax after stressful days.
Seriously? Then you'll fit in perfectly here. We have sports clubs, an art club, and even an English conversation club where students practice speaking naturally.
That sounds exactly like what I need. I really want to improve my English and make new friends at the same time.
Your English is already really good, Emma, but if you want to sound even more advanced and confident, you should join the school's press club. A lot of students improve their speaking and writing there.
Seriously? Do you think I'll have to wait a long time before they accept me? Wait, our school has free English courses? Why have I never heard about that?
Most students don't notice them because they're online only. You just go to the school website and log in with your student account.
Actually, I want to check out the Painters Club too. I heard students there are really friendly.
That's awesome. New members are always welcome here, but you'll need to register online first. Yeah, the school website crashes sometimes on mobile devices. It usually works better on a computer.
That's a problem because I didn't bring my laptop today. Really? That would be amazing. I've been excited to see this place since morning.
We normally meet on Friday afternoons after classes, when everyone is less busy with studying and assignments. We have an online group chat where everyone votes for the best time, and we also post announcements there. Of course, once your registration is approved, I'll add you immediately.
How long does the approval usually take? A whole week feels so long when you're excited about something.
Haha, I understand. But starting tomorrow, you can still come here and draw even before becoming an official member.
I hope there will be people in this club who can guide me little by little then. I really want to improve, even if it takes time.
Haha, by the way, look who just walked in. Sophia. Hey, long time no see. You should definitely go someday. India is amazing, colorful, busy, exciting, and every city feels different from the others. I enjoyed every moment there. Hey, my phone still works perfectly fine. It's old, but it's still alive.
Then buy more cloud storage at least.
All right, maybe you're right. Next time I buy a phone, I'll definitely choose one with much bigger storage so I can stop worrying about space every single day.